Hey, and welcome to this lesson on intersecting lines. The essential questions for this lesson are, what if two lines never meet? And what are perpendicular lines? And what is a transversal? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the relationship of intersecting lines. Let's first talk about lines that never intersect, meaning they'll never touch each other. If two or more lines never intersect, they are called parallel lines. When two lines do touch and share a particular point, they are called intersecting lines. When two lines intersect, they create four different angles, as labeled there on the figure. If two intersecting lines form one 90-degree angle, they are called perpendicular lines. Now, if one angle is 90 degrees, then all four angles have to be 90 degrees. Because this straight line, at this point, this angle is a straight angle. It needs to be 180 degrees. So that means this angle right here and this angle right here have to add up to 180 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. And the only way that they could add up, both of those could add up to 180 degrees, is if this angle was 90 degrees as well. And then you could do the same thing for these two angles. And then you could do the same thing for these two angles. So every single angle is 90 degrees. A line that intersects a set of two or more lines is what we call a transversal. So in the figure, this red line is a transversal. This red line is a transversal that cuts across the two blue lines. And this red line is also a transversal that cuts across these three blue lines. That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions, make sure you come to live class, review your notes, try your assignments, and if you have any more questions, make sure you reach out to us in the Math Cafe.